let's take a look at the trades I made in gold today. It's actually a couple of trades. Today is December 27th, 2021. It's a Monday. So let's dive right into the trades I made. So gold, the bias is still to the upside. You have previous days here. Then there was a retracement here, and then the moving averages were stuck to the downside now. So I took one trade here in before the market opened, or before 9:30, the regular market for the US Open. I took a trade here for a profit, and then I took another trade in this candle moving to the upside, but this one actually was a loss. So let's look at the entry chart, which is the Renko chart. So you see here there's a trade I made when it broke this Darvas right here. So it was moving to the downside. All moving averages were stacked. Down here you have these moving averages going to the downside as well, and then momentum was negative with the two lines going down. So I thought that it was going to make a larger move. If you see here, we do have the 200 moving average down there. So I was expecting it to move all the way down. But it didn't. It came back, and so when I entered this one with the 3 lots as well. You see, probably let me expand this. There's a little number 3 right there. So I entered this trade with at 1805.2. The first 2 lots were sold at 1804.2. So that one is $200, and then I moved when this one filled, I moved this one to break even +1, and that is where I sold. So $10 there, so $210, and then minus commissions. I don't put the commissions here. Now the market made a reversal here. Now the problem, so it didn't make an actual reversal. It changed directions. So you have. I'm sorry, let me go back here. So was making lower highs, lower lows, similar high here, and came back and broke that support right here. I took the trade, made $210, and then the market reversed. Well, reversed because it moved away above this Darvas, or above this pivot, right? So then came back, a little bit of choppiness here. I didn't like that much the price action gold. So you have let me show you this here. There was all of these candles here were there were wicks out of these candles here. So not very decisive. There was a couple of weeks also here. So there was not that much conviction here. However, there was a critical value here, which was the prior high, and I was expecting that one to be broken today. So I patiently waited until it broke. So I took that trade over here, but I was not patient enough that I put the stop right below this candle when it broke, and then I moved it up when this candle closed, and then I was stopped out for the market just to go in the direction I thought it was going to go. So that was not good. That was not fun, but I didn't lose that much. That one there is actually, I didn't mark it, I don't think, in the chart, but this one was actually $150. So let me minus 150 for those um, three lots. So three lots at 1812.1, and then they were stopped at 1811.6. So $150 loss on the three lots. Then the market kept moving sideways, and then made a reversal here. This one was a good entry as well, but the problem with this is that it's lunchtime, so I didn't trust it that much. But it moved, went back down. You see, it is not talking. This one is, it was not talking with that well with the um, um, 30 minutes. So you do have here the Ichimoku cloud, and trades within the Ichimoku clouds are not they are less reliable. So the best are when the Ichimoku cloud is below or above you. So in this case, this one is fine, but it was kind of like within this large channel as well. So you have a pivot high here and a pivot low there. Let me paint it so we can see it better. So we have a pivot low here and a pivot high here, right? So let's do this. Trading within this zone is not safe. That's what I can say. I was waiting for it to break either to the upside or to the downside now, and confirm the the um, the direction of the trade of the chart. But it didn't. So it moved horizontally within this area. So no trades today. Not more trades today in gold. Okay. Thank you for watching.